How a piece of steel plate is processed from 0 to 1 for a reliable single girder overhead crane. Let's explore the birth code of Guanhui single girder crane together. When each material is delivered to the factory, we will test it one by one to ensure that it meets the design standards. Through our production lines, steel coils are straightened, sandblasted, cut and polished to conform to the welding process. Specialized spreaders protect the steel plates well during transit. Workers will cooperate with the automatic angle welding machine to complete the welding of reinforcement bars to ensure the strength of the main girder. On the box girder automatic assembly line, manual welding not only handles all details of the main girder, but also ensures high welding precision. Automated welding robot will dramatically shorten production cycles and reduce human error. In order to exclude the risk of deformation of the main girder during subsequent use, we will carry out strict measurements and inspections of parameters such as the upper arch and vertical deviation. End carriage is the foundation of crane driving and load bearing. Its quality directly affects the safety of the whole machine. Semi-automatic welding machine will improve welding efficiency and quality in end carriage production. The high-precision CNC milling machine will ensure the flatness and accuracy of the end carriage mounting holes, as well as the stability and robustness in subsequent use. In order to obtain a similar operating environment and accurate test results, we will measure and adjust the horizontal, vertical and span data. After the crane completes the structural production, QC team is again essential for the inspection of welds, grinding quality and overall appearance. At Guanhui, any step is necessary. Pre-assembly will help customers save on labor costs, shorten lead times and accelerate project ramp-up. Quality control records for each crane ensure accountability and give customers confidence in the safety, performance and durability of the product. Trial operation will check and test the functions of photoelectric limit, cross limit, lift limit, etc., and adjust them to ensure all-round reliable operation. Higher selling prices mean higher costs, and we use paints from well-known brands with outstanding performance. Better resistance to oxidation, moisture, and salt spray will greatly extend the life of the machine. Efficient loading process, scientific arrangement, so that the equipment safely arrived at the customer's site, to do the whole process without worries. However, this is not the whole process of the production of this crane. Every process of data recording, every decision behind the intense discussion is the quality of this machine guarantee. As a leading manufacturer of lifting equipment in South China, Guanhui will use the best quality products and services to win the trust of customers around the world. Choose Guanhui Crane, the smart choice for crane users worldwide.